Hi viewers, I am Anish. You're welcome to my channel English Easy. Class 8 NCERT text. Poem number 3 Macavity the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. This poem was written by the great poet T.S. Eliot. He was poet, essayist, playwright, publisher and critic, etc. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1948. His notable works are The Waste Land, Four Quarters, Murder in the Cathedral, etc. Macavity the cat is the central figure of the poem. Macavity is a criminal mastermind, but he is too clever to be caught. The police department do all they can to catch Macavity, but he escapes from the police before the arrival of the flying squad in the spot. He violates the law of men and the law of nature alike. He even acts against the gravity force. He appears everywhere, but he disappears or vanishes after the crime is committed. He is careless about his appearance. He doesn't comb his whiskers. He wears dirty dress, etc. Anyway, the poet presents the criminal Macavity as a hero in this poem. The readers love Macavity even though he commits crimes. So we shall read the poem and enjoy it. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is a master criminal who can defy the law. Macavity is known as mystery cat as well as a hidden paw. These two names are so suitable for him because he is a master criminal and he even defies the law made by human beings. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. He creates confusion for the Scotland Yard, the headquarters of the London police force. Even their flying squads are unable to find out him. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. After committing the crime, Macavity escapes simply. He troubles the police department altogether. See the word meaning, students? Defy means disobey or violate. Bafflement means to confuse. Scotland Yard means the headquarters of the London police force. Look at the word meanings given here. Seek means to search. Basement means underground space. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. The poet says anybody can search him anywhere. You can search underground even, but you will not be able to find out Macavity anywhere. Students, look at the word meanings given here. Ginger cat, noiseless or cunning cat, sunken in, deep in. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. The poet says the physical features of Macavity, how he looks like. According to the poet, Macavity is a ginger cat, very cunning cat. He comes noiselessly. He is very tall and thin, according to the poet. And we can understand him really if we see him. His eyes are sunken in, very deep. His eyebrows are deeply lined with many thoughts. He seems to be always thinking something. His head is highly domed. He holds his head high proudly. Students, look at the word meanings of the underlined words. Whiskers means mustache of the cat. Sway means to move both sides. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. The poet continues to explain his physical features. He is very neglect about his physical appearance. He is not neat and clean. His dresses are untidy and his whiskers are uncombed. He moves his head both sides when he walks, and his movement is totally looks like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is not really asleep. He is always wide awake, but we feel that he is half asleep. Okay, look at the word meanings given here. Fiend, devil. Feline, cat. Monster, a terrifying and dangerous creature. Depravity, moral corruption. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. In the final stanza, the poet wants to repeat what he had said in the previous stanzas. He says Macavity will not be available when you search him in the crime spot, for he is a fiend in feline shape. The cat looks like a devil and monster, but he does moral corruption. You can see him anywhere when there is no crime. You can see him in the street, you can see him in the square, but when the crime is done, he cannot be found out. He is such a clever cat, the poet says. And this is the end of the poem. Students, you should read this poem several times for your better understanding.